Buy one, get one free. Yes, these are onto some more deal. Charger, and then you gotta jump. New Dewalt deals just dropped. Yes, new Dewalt deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I do apologize for the quality on this video. It's not the best. I have been trying to fight this computer and this phone. It's not connecting, and I don't know what's happening. But anyways, we're here and we're making a video as of now, but with what we got. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start here, we got the Milwaukee clearance. This is 405. This is a combo chainsaw and blower. It's down from 449, so that's actually 50 bucks off, and this one's pretty good. And then 182 down from 279 for this 40 volts 600 CFM blower. Chainsaw 333 down from 369. You got this combo kit for $200 down from 299 from the Ryobi. Got another chainsaw here. This was a 10-inch. 160 down from 219. Not bad for the Ryobi. You got this combo blower and string trimmer. 210 down from 299. It is a 40 volt trimmer and blower combo. Here's another one, chainsaw and pole saw combo, 159 down from 299. These are all from the spring Black Friday deals that they had earlier this year. You got the cordless pruner, $69 down from 149. So, like I said, do apologize for the images. They're not the best. Ultra blower, 117 down from 129. So this is a blower and a vacuum, I believe. Then I found this one. This one you guys can look it up yourself if you guys want to know the price on that one. Did not have a tag or anything, but it was in the clearance section. And you know, looking at the bag or the case, it looks like belongs to the clearance section. All right, so $31 down from 95. Some for the grill. And then you got $13 down from 23. Just a smoker cover. All right, let's do a quick comparison since we got some boxes on sale, some modular storage system. Got the Rigid 2.0 on sale for $79, down from 89 or 99, I believe. And then same price with this one. This one's the Ryobi Link. All right, so let's take some quick measurements here. You got about 19 and a half, maybe a little bit more on the longer side, and then you got about 12 and a quarter there for the depth. Now I'm not counting the tabs, so you guys have to take those off. So this one's about 19 and a half, or rough estimate there, a rough measurement. And then I'm measuring from the thinnest part, so about 14 or so, 14 and a quarter on that one as well. And there's another measurement there for where the wheels go. All right, so 119 for the Dewalt. You guys know there's a hack going on the Dewalts. You get $300 if you purchase $500. So it comes down to like 200 bucks. So mix and match. I don't know if that's still going to be active by the time this video goes up, but yeah, if you guys stay subscribed, you guys know about those deals. All right, so about 18 and a half on that one. And then on the deeper side is about 13 and 3/4 or so. And then on the part with it's the thinnest, about 13 and a quarter there. So just a quick wheel state there for the boxes. The bigger ones are probably going to be Rigid and the Ryobi Link system thing. All right, some more clearance stuff there for the deadbolts and smart devices for the doors. I'm not going to go over all these because there's a whole bunch of those. All right, so on to the new deals, guys. Yes, these are the new Dewalt deals. Just dropped. All right, so these are 21-piece drill bit set. And then you got a countersink there for 3-piece, and then a right angle adapter. Those are all $19.97. All right, apologize for the microphone there. Quick change there. All right, so buy one, get one free. Yes, these are the new ones. You buy any of the tools on the top, and you get a free starter kit, 5-amp-hour battery. You can get the oscillating tool, the sander, quarter sheet sander, the hammer drill, the drywall cutout tool, and then the screw gun, and then the brushless cutoff tool and the ratchet. So those are all the tools that do qualify for this. So you buy any of these and get that free starter kit there on the right. All right, so those are the tools. This is the oscillating tool. And that is the starter kit you're gonna get for free. That is, and these are hackable. You guys know what that is, right? So yeah, hackable. If you guys don't know, let us know in the comment section. Hopefully, me or somebody else will be nice and let you know what's up. All right, so yeah, these are all the tools that are available to be hacked. 129 for that brushless hammer drill with the 3 amp-hour battery starter kit. 129 for the two 4 amp-hour batteries. These are solid deals on these batteries, by the way. You got looks like a charger. Yeah, this is a charger for a battery, 2 amp charger, and then you got a jump starter with or a power bank, however you want to call it. That's $99.98 and $29.97 for the charger. All right, so those are the boxes there. You got the curved nailing hammer there, $14.88. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice, not too bad. And then we got some more deals here. You got a push and flip folding knife, fastback style, right? $12.97. It's actually pretty nice. It is kind of different than the fastback, but on the color wise. All right, so you got a torpedo level here, pretty nice. Dewalt. And then you got a staple gun for $19.97, torpedo for $19.97, and you got a Touch Series tape measure there, 25-footer for $24.97. All right, the tape measure, that's what it looks like. Pretty much like a Fat Max style. It is labeled on both sides. Pretty nice labels, easy to read, and it is like a Fat Max style. Pretty nice, thicker, rugged, and that is the staple gun with. Those are not plastic handles, by the way. I mean, those are not rubber handles, they're plastic. Just to let you know. All right, on to some more deals. Well, not necessarily the best deals, but these are all the flexible stuff. Hopefully you'll do a buy one get one free or some sort of deal on these. $199 for the brushless angle grinder, and then you got these are all $199 except for the rear handle for that's $249. So again, this one's a flex bolt, $199. Reciprocating saw, and then you got the circular saw, and then the rear handle there at the bottom. So pretty nice. That's what it looks like on the other side. So you guys would see what it is. And then again, they do have the Milwaukee buy one get one free for the lights. You buy any of those lights on the bottom, you get a free battery or the top off, which I do recommend you guys get the top off. Those are all the lights there. This one's on clearance for $75, down from $149. It is a hybrid panel light for the rigid. And those are all the lights. There are, well, some of the lights that are available for this hack. Pretty nice. And then that's it, guys. Just a short video. Just wanted to update you guys. Hopefully next week I'll have everything settled down so I can get a better quality video for you guys. Video and audio, of course. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell.